white gel pen, and you always want to kind of practice on some paper, get it going. And then we can make the seed. Can you see that little detail? And make the seeds just, I don't know what am I making the seeds do? Yeah. And then I'm going to highlight some of these letters. Yeah, I like the frame. Thank you. I do think it sets it off nicely as well. Okay, can you see those little lines, those little white spots? So there we go. So I hope you enjoyed the washi class for June. So this is my June launch. So if you sign up, or if you're already in it, the 10th is the last day to sign up. That's when each month, always on the 1st, and then I'm going to start trying to do this free class on the